Welcome to a Drexel University English Language Center presentation on grammar and sentence structure. My name is Bill Albertson, and today I'm going to talk about compound sentences. Before we begin, you might find it easier to hear this presentation if you use headphones. In addition, find the video pause button and use it whenever you need more time to read the slides. By the end of this module, you should be able to name the 7 coordinating conjunctions, combine simple sentences into compound sentences, and correctly punctuate compound sentences. Let's take a look at what a compound sentence is. In the last module, we talked about simple sentences and independent clauses. Compound sentences have 2 independent clauses. They have 2 separate subjects, each with their own verb. They kind of look like 2 simple sentences put together. They also have a coordinating conjunction and comma, or a semicolon, joining the 2 clauses. Let's take a look at what a coordinating conjunction is. A coordinating conjunction is a small word that's used to put 2 independent clauses together and make one long sentence with 2 independent clauses. In English, we have 7 coordinating conjunctions. They are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. You can remember these because the first letter of each of these words spells the words fanboys. Let's take a look at some compound sentences. First, we have Bobby sings and Lisa dances. Notice that we have Bobby sings, which is one independent clause, and Lisa dances, which is another independent clause. They are joined together by the coordinating conjunction and a comma. In the second sentence, we have Bobby went to the store, but he forgot his wallet. Bobby went to the store is the first independent clause. He forgot his wallet is the second independent clause. It doesn't matter that Bobby and he refer to the same person. They are 2 separate subjects. They each have their own verb. These 2 independent clauses are joined together by the coordinating conjunction but and a comma. We can also use coordinating conjunctions to put 2 questions together. So we have, would you like pizza? Or would you like a burger? Would you like pizza is the first independent clause. Would you like a burger is the second independent clause. And these 2 clauses are joined by the coordinating conjunction or and a comma. In our final example, we have Bobby likes to sing. He sings karaoke every weekend. Bobby likes to sing is an independent clause. He sings karaoke every weekend is an independent clause. And these 2 independent clauses are joined together with a semicolon. We can use a semicolon to join 2 independent clauses together that are very closely related. But watch out. We say, I would like pizza and I would like a burger with a comma, but I would like pizza and a burger and Joe and Sally eat pizza and drink soda do not have a comma. Let's look at these examples more closely. In the first sentence, we have 2 subjects. Both are I, and they refer to the same person, but it doesn't matter because they each have their own verb. The verb in both of these independent clauses is would like. Here we have 2 independent clauses, so we put a comma before the coordinating conjunction to join these 2 sentences together. In the second example, however, we only have 1 subject and 1 verb. Pizza and a burger are objects in this sentence. there is not a second subject and there is not a second verb, so we do not put a comma. Sometimes it can be tempting to put a comma because we see a coordinating conjunction, but please keep in mind that if you do not see a second subject and a second verb after the coordinating conjunction, you cannot add a comma. In the third example, we have Joe and Sally as the subject. We have eat and drink as the verbs. Here, Joe and Sally both eat and drink. So, Joe is related to both eat and drink, and Sally is related to both eat and drink. They do not each have their own verb, so this is not a compound sentence. We do not use commas before the coordinating conjunction because we don't have two independent clauses. These last two sentences are simple sentences. They are not compound sentences. Now, let's practice. For this exercise, I would like you to put the two simple sentences together using the coordinating conjunction in parentheses. Please remember to use the correct punctuation. Pause the video while you write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. Press the play button when you are finished, and we will check the answers together. Okay, now let's go over the answers. In the first example, we have Rita plays the piano, Cindy plays the violin. We can put these two simple sentences together using but by writing Rita plays the piano, comma, but Cindy plays the violin. In the second example, we have Jim plays soccer, his friends watch him. We can put these two simple sentences together with the coordinating conjunction and by writing Jim plays soccer, comma, and his friends watch him. In the third sentence, we have we could see a movie, we could go shopping. We can put these two simple sentences together using the coordinating conjunction or by writing we could see a movie, comma, or we could go shopping. In the final example, we have it is getting late, I will go home. We can put these together with the coordinating conjunction so by writing it is getting late, comma, so I will go home. This concludes our presentation on compound sentences. In the next module, we will discuss complex sentences. Remember, if you need additional help, you can always schedule a language support tutoring appointment through the Drexel English Language Center at the link listed here. Thanks for watching.